First of all, thank you for inviting me to the graduation ceremony of Mahardika Institute of Technology, Senior High School Class of 2024. Congratulations to our 779 graduates who are now beaming with joy and hope. This is indeed a momentous occasion for all of you. So, tupak-tupak natin ang pares lang. Yan. Your parents and loved ones make up another large segment of this crowd. I am aware as a parent how much effort and sacrifice we do just to give our children good education. This achievement is yours too. Your teachers, together with the officials and staff of MIT, also deserve an appreciation for painstakingly honing your potentials, imparting knowledge, and preparing you to become productive members of society. So, biyaw tupag-tupakan natin mga kamastalan na ito. Nagkatahan din natin nga ini, members in MIT. So, ang sinabi ko kay Rizutel, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Failures are part of our lives. It is completely normal to make mistakes or to make fail at some things. It should not take away our confidence or self-worth. Your generation has the power to shape the future. And I have no doubt that every one of you will make a positive impact on the world. Just to give our children good education. This achievement is yours too. So mga mamas, tupag-tupakan natin yung balan na to.
Administrators, proud graduates and parents, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. By the virtue of authority delegated to me by the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lermalin Jalas Vidal of the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education, I hereby confirm the 779 candidates for graduation as graduates for school year 2023-2024. My snappy congratulations to all.
I believe at your age, you are strong enough to conquer challenges. Your parents are always there to guide and support you. I want to congratulate you once again on reaching this significant milestone. Thank you and congratulations, class of 2024.